Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am going to do some stovetop cooking for you guys on the Guliver Cookstove. This is a beautiful cast iron, soapstone, and sheet metal combination cookstove. It does have the cast iron cooktop, and today I'm going to be cooking up sausage in my cast iron pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my pan here. Let me just check the temperature. I am using lids on the cook stove to keep any splash or splatter, especially sausage, which is greasy. I'm reading 535 at the center cook plate, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat up my pan here. I actually already have my sausage in there with the lid. So we're gonna fry up some sausage today on the Guliver Cookstove. My sausage smells really good. It is bubbling. I think it's about ready to be flipped, but it looks like it's gonna be perfectly brown. Oh, they are so perfectly brown. So yeah, cast iron cooktops like this, they retain the heat. So this stove has been burning basically just on like small, lower kindling to like 1 log fires, because tonight I've primarily been cooking. So it really depends if you're like trying to be cooking or heating with the stove, but it really does not take a lot of wood to be able to heat it up and produce a nice hot cooktop or a nice hot baking oven with just a very small amount of wood in the firebox. Here we have the sausage. And look at how perfect golden brown these came out on the wood cook stove. Cooked in my cast iron pan, on my cast iron cooktop, and just a small little bed of coals here. And my Guca Guliver. This is the soapstone finish. This is the pleasure of a stove to both cook and bake. Burns really clean. I did pretty good with my cooktop, I would say, this time. These are the few splatters I got, but I mean, compared to normal. But geez, you just like pull that lid off for a minute. It's almost like if you're gonna pull the lid off, you almost wanna take it to another surface. I'm learning as I go. The Guliver stove comes already with like a black cooktop, so it's not gonna discolor. Like a La Nordica stove, it comes looking kind of shiny, and then it ends up discoloring over time. This one is just gonna come like that cast iron black. I really hope that you guys enjoy these cooking videos. If it's helpful to see the stove in operation, and if you like these videos, please give me a quick little thumbs up. That helps me out so much, you guys, when you like my videos. If you find them helpful and you know somebody else who would be interested in my videos, please share them with a friend. That also helps me. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel if you haven't already. God bless. Have a wonderful day.